Welcome back to my channel. Rohit Marchini guys. Once again, hopefully you guys are doing well. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please go and subscribe my channel. Hit the bell icon, press all to get notification for all my upcoming videos. So this video I'll tell you a lot of information regarding the higher studies of the deck officers. Mostly how many courses you guys know. Mainly the guys who are marine aspirant, they know BSc Nautical, Diploma in Nautical and HND in Nautical, but these people is very rare. Apart from that, BTech Marine Engineering, your ETO courses, GME, that's it I guess. And but apart from that, lot of courses are there. Already have covered lot of courses: maritime law, BBA, MBA, logistics. Lot of courses have made. Maritime law also, two sections are there, that also already made LLM and the PGD I think. So I'll give all the links in the I button. You can go and check it out, those videos also. But in this video I'll tell you the higher studies of the deck officers. After completion of their course, they can pursue this course also, obviously from abroad, mostly from the abroad. And obviously I'll tell you the college's name and the eligibility criteria, each and everything. So to know this, you have to stick to this video till last. Let's start with the first course. The first course is maritime law. So maritime law you can learn after your you can start your career. So in maritime law there are two courses, already I have told, the LLM and the PGD. So both the courses you can do. So if you have done the undergraduate, then you can directly do the post graduation course. If you do not have the undergraduate degree, then you can start the maritime law from undergraduate also. That will be helpful for you. So lot of institutes are there that I'll tell you. City of University in London is there. Law course, the City of University is very convenient. Maritime law course is there, and City of University London offers aimed individuals seeking to pursue career in maritime law. So these are the colleges are there. Second is the marine policy. So this is a post graduation course, offers a career as a manager in areas such as international shipping, port, harbors or sea trade in either private sector or government agencies. Okay. So the courses providing colleges are: Cardiff University is an excellent university that provide course in marine policy, is recognized all over the world for an amazing academic environment. Okay. This third, that is maritime affairs. It is also a post graduation course. Mostly the courses are post graduation course. Okay. The maritime affairs is a specialized course which teaches every aspect and changing needs in maritime industry. Institute providing the maritime course affairs in the World Maritime University, WMU, that is in Sweden, an institute founded by the IMO only. Okay. A specialized agency of United Nations established in 1993, WMU is known to be prime leader in research and excellence in the maritime field. Okay. Now the important, in the fourth point, that is the MSc in shipping and trade and finance. Okay. So MSc in shipping, trade, finance deals with the business and the commerce of the maritime industry, mainly the logistic departments. It is interesting course for deck officer and maritime professionals who wants to make mark in the shipping business sector. So if you shift yourself, or if you see yourself in the business sector or logistic part in the maritime industry, then this course absolutely for you. So the colleges are the Cass Business School at City University London is extremely prestigious college which provide the MSc in shipping. Also London being hub of shipping, yeah, definitely. So that is the thing. Now the fifth is the MSc in international transport and the logistics. The merchant navy broadly comes under the business of international transport and logistics. To have thorough understanding of the management and organizational aspect of such business is extremely important for an individual for innovation in the maritime sector in general. Course duration is 2 years. So there is a World Maritime University, already I have told, the WMU. It's in the London, and obviously it has been established by the IMO. So that is the college, you can pursue this course also. So this is the last course I am telling, that is the MBA in shipping. I have made regarding this MBA also. I will keep the link in the I button, you go and check it out. All the criteria you can do the courses, all the colleges name, fees, everything I have discussed on that video. So masters in business administration or MBA is by the most famous post graduation course, not just by the maritime professionals but all people, almost all fields. Okay. So MBA degree in shipping would be definitely open gates opportunities for deck officers who are looking for an onshore job. Okay, it is note that most the reputed MBA universities ask for minimum 2 to 5 years of working experience to become eligible for the course, though there are some colleges which do take military professional with less experience on the basis of their academic performance. So the list is not given here. So if you want to the college list and all, you should go to that video. In that video I have mentioned all the regarding the MBA in shipping and logistics. So these are the top 6 courses which can pursue by the deck officers for their higher studies from the abroad. Okay, so I guess I understood this video. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon and press all to get notification for all my upcoming videos. Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Signing off for the day.